I just got this in and looking forward for it to work. I hope it works. My daughter's gonna help me a little bit with this. So, do you know what this is? I'll have this all at the end.
A light bulb?
Close. Let's open it up. Watch it. Let's take everything out. Nothing else in there. Some mounting equipment. Nothing else. You have to stop moving the table. Okay, I'll have this at the end. So this is my idea. Do you want to know what I'm doing with this? You want to look at one? Okay, let me take this out. This is everything that comes inside the box. Let me just do a close-up really quickly. Close up of this. Up and down switch. This have a, oh, this comes off. Okay, hold on one moment. I'm gonna let you see. Here, you can look at this for now. And this has a cover, so I guess I can put double-sided tape here and hang it up. That's what I'm probably gonna do. Okay, perfect. Or you could actually hang it there. So I'll scan this so you can see a closer look of this. And let me remove the let me take the battery thing out first, and then how do I remove this? Okay, there it goes. And there's those what I think they're C12 batteries, not 23A batteries. Let me do a close-up so you can get a better look. What type of battery this takes. I might need to buy an extra one just in case. I don't think I have this battery. Okay, let's put it back. I guess this is the code to this. That's the way it matches up. So that when you're pressing this, it controls this automatically. I'll scan this. I'll try to scan the front too. I'll see if I could. It's goes up and down. Can you get me the measuring tape? I guess you could screw it in too to mount it. Okay. And mounting hardware. So that's everything that comes. This is my problem, and I'm hoping that this fixes these. This is my solution to my problem. Before I show you my problem, I'm just gonna measure, since I measure everything, if you've seen my videos in the past. And okay. thickness is not that thick. Let me do it from the one, you get a better idea. Okay. And this should measure the same. Or similar. A little bit small, I guess that's for mounting purposes. This is just a regular outlet. Let me just measure the distance between the, so that it, depending on your bulb, that will depend on whether you can keep a light ornament or light cover on. And I'm hoping I still could, but it's going to depend on the size of the bulb and the size of this adapter. So that's it right there. Okay. And let me show you my problem. This is my storage area. This is where we store everything. We have shelving here for storage. And my problem is that the light switch, I'm all the way at one end. So this is the entrance to the storage. The light switch is all the way at the end over there. All the way at the end over there. So I want to put the light switch here. And then I want to put the bulbs up on top. So let me just show you. So in order, what happens is in the dark, if I don't have a flashlight, of course we have a light here. This is about a 17-foot long storage area. And the light switch is 16, what is that? It's 16, no it's not, I'm sorry. 14 feet away. That's where the storage area is. 14 feet away. And when I need to come in here to look for something, I have to go all the way down there. The biggest problem is if something falls out or I drop something on the floor or someone drops something on the floor, you're not going to be able to see it. You trip over it and it gets a little bit dangerous. You're kind of holding the wall as your guide. So I'd like to put the light switch on this floor so that when I enter, I just press it and the light goes on. That is the light, and I'm hoping that I can still keep that glass cover. I may not. I mean, I'm gonna keep it. I just may not be able to use it at the current time if I set this up and it works. I prefer the lights working than keeping that glass over it. This is a storage area, so it's not like people are gonna come back here except the people who are keeping storage here, like myself. So let's try it out. So I'm putting Velcro in the back to stick it up. Now let's see how well it holds up. I'm gonna hang it up right here. Let's put it in the same area as the other one is, or next to, well, on the other side of the wall, but next to it. Okay, perfect. Now let's try it out. Okay, it's black, totally black. Let's press the button and see what happens. Beautiful, it's working. Now we have light. Let there be light. Look at that. Okay, oh, I couldn't keep the cover. It didn't fit with the adapters on there. Let me see if I can show you. As you can see, the adapters make it stick out a lot. So there was nothing I can do. So I have to remove the glass, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Again, this is a storage area. But now, you know, I can see what I'm doing before I get there. So instead of going all the way to the end, which I told you what was 16, 17 feet away, I can now just press the button and it's working. Perfect. Up and down. Look at that. Awesome. I really like it. It solved my issue. Definitely worth it. Awesome. Now I don't have to go again. This is this one here. All the way down there. I trip and fall and hurt myself because I can't see where I'm going because it's completely pitch black. All right. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.